Hey guys, and welcome back to Big Pharma. It's been a while since we've played, but let's go in and take a look at some of the things that they've changed. So we've got our beginner things going up. I guess I thought we did the game of margins. It shouldn't be that hard. And we've done big line, but maybe we need to do those again to complete the stuff. Look at all this new stuff that we have now. It's been updated quite a bit since we played last time. So I guess since we've done those at least, let's go to Show Me the Money. That should be exciting. Alright, got our character, got our company. Let's incorporate. Alright, and apparently they have a bunch of new things. Okay, patents. We haven't done patents before. You're seeing this dialogue because this is the first game you've played which includes patents. Patents is a research project which, once they're researched, allows you to protect your products by filing patents from the Company tab. Patents cost time and money to file, but once complete, none of your competitors will be able to sell the same product. Be warned, your competitors also have access to this ability. For more information, check out the project description on the Research tab. Alright, cool. So let's pause the game real quick, and let's take a look and see what we have. So we have isomerized ferroxygenide sap, which can be used as a painkiller, which is good. So we can add that no side effects, and that's good. And we also have reacted acidophobia mist, which will calm acid reflux. So both of these are really good. I think we'll probably start with the reacted acidophobia mist. So acid reflux painkillers. Alright, so acid reflux painkillers. The acid reflux upgrades to something that gives us more money, which is not bad. And it's kind of far away. We can upgrade both of them actually and get them out fairly quickly. So that might be something for us to do. I also like how it gives us the range, even though I don't know if it should, because that was sort of one of the things you didn't really know about it until you created the thing itself. But we'll see. It might make it easier. It might not. Let's see. No catalysts. Those have catalysts. Well, let's hire one of these suckers. And we're gonna have him go and try and find the dragon beetle. And we'll also start our research so we can get the ionizer and the agglomerator. So let's start with the agglomerator. That should be fine. Now, where are patents? Patents aren't... Oh, there's patents. Okay, so that might be something that we might take a look at. In the meantime, let's take a look at our production. We have a small, tiny little area, which should be just fine for us right now. Let's import the isometrize. Alright, so what do we need to upgrade this? We need to go to 7 to 10. We have to go up to 16 for this one. Actually, it's not that far. So let's import this. We'll go up by 3. So, increases concentration by 1. So let's spin that around. 1, 2. We need to wait in here so we can package. But that should be okay. So let's go on in here and place
invalid
this stuff.
position.
Alright, fair enough. I'm not used to these things telling me stuff. So let's play. We'll have the thing coming through here. And we'll take a look and see where it winds up when we get here. I believe we just run it through an evaporator one more time. Actually, we might spin this around that way. Yep, evaporator one more time. Let's move these things around a little bit. Let's shift this to go this way. Now that will unlock over here, but am I ready for that or not? Actually, yeah, that's probably better for this. So let's get rid of that. We want to be pretty advantageous in our placement of things. So let's go ahead, and we can't do that, but we can. No. Guess we'll go one more like that since we have enough room for it. And we'll take a look at the next part. So let's go. Continue. We'll see where this winds up. That should upgrade it. And we'll pause once we get to the upgrade. Alright, cool. So now we have to go down to 12. So we need to go down 5, it looks like. Alright, now that might be a little bit of a problem. But that's okay. No, wrong way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that. Eventually we're going to want to straighten these out a bit. There's one. Alright, we probably want to go in and out through here. So what's the best way to do that?
Invalid position.
Yeah, well, that's fine. It doesn't bother me. Let's go by. I guess we'll go a long path through here. Let's buy that. Oh, what's that? Oh, is that the door? Okay. 2. I guess nothing goes there. 2, 3, 4. And last but not least, we need this to go down here then, methinks. Okay, and then we need 2 pill pushers, or 2 pill printers rather. So let's turn that. We need to go there, there. Yeah, that should be fine. That'll block this one, which is a little bad. But there doesn't seem to be anything else over here. So that should be okay, at least for right now. So let's go ahead and build that. Okay, built there. Go. Zoom. Okay.
Invalid position.
Yeah, well, I don't know how I feel about those announcer voices. But yeah, that should be fine, and that should make us some money here shortly. Now let's import the other one. We just need to increase that by 1, hypothetically, to, well, we can go to 7 to turn this. Yep, we'll import that. And we'll just import it, we'll just go up by 1. Increase concentration by 1, and then we'll get that out. Just make us some quick cash. That's all we're worried about in this scenario, right? Cash. Get quickie. Get rich quick. Okay, cool. So we're losing money right now, but we should be okay. Let's make sure that this works. Yep. Should get the alleviate stomach ulcers. We can upgrade that eventually, but we're going to need some more machines. So let's see what we got here. First
Product
one out.
name required.
Alright. Pain Beater. Name. We'll see whether or not it's worth it to get this out. So right now we're making $50
Product
per pill
name
here.
required.
Crisco Stomach Sore Ease. Nice. And we're making 135 per pill here. We're making more because we're able to get more out of it because we do more processing, and it's a level 2 drug. So that's really good for us. But we need to continue and research. So we're eventually going to need the autoclave. Well, actually, let's take a look and see how much money we can make from it. Okay, we can make 467, which is not bad. We go through 6 to 8, and then we go 11 to 15. Let's go do some more research. We're going to need the autoclave eventually. So let's see what we need to do to get that. That's a ways away. The autoclave's all the way up here. But we need to research out the wazoo. Let's hire another scientist, and we'll have him go do the ionizer for right now, because we're going to need that pretty darn quick. That should be fine, and then we'll work towards the autoclave and the creamer and all these things, just so that we can get better and better drugs. So that's good for us. Let's take a look at our company compared to the others. Alright, so our cure rating is not the best in the world, but it's not too bad. Let's see what we got here. Neither of these people have anything coming out yet, which is good for us. Which is very good for us. So we'll let those go. We have one open slot, but that's not really enough to do anything at the moment. We could go and let's see how much, let's go see what the demand is for both of these things.
A competitor has released a new product.
They released a product. Migraine away. Okay, so that's okay. Are we doing that? Do they have different ingredients? Because I know they can do that now. Eases migraine. We don't have eases migraine. Both of them are doing eases migraine. Is there something with eases migraine that I don't know about? It's not making that much more money. But we probably shouldn't go into that field right now just because they are taking it over. We need more research and such too. So once that gets done, we're gonna need 2 people to do these. So let's grab one to get us some points. And then once this guy's finished, we'll grab. I think we'll go basic auxiliary. That should help us out some.
New ingredient discovered.
Awesome. Let's take a look at it.
Research
Antidepressant
complete.
will be the first antidepressant. Let's go ahead and buy this. Bring out the antidepressant. Okay. Import. We just have to raise it up 1. Actually, we could switch this. Well, let's build it, and we'll go ahead. Basic. Increase concentration by 1, which should give no side effects, which is really good. Get 2 pill printers. Alright, we'll move that in a second. Build. Build. Get that out. Okay, cool. Let's move this real quick. Alright. Awesome. Let's make sure these are all connected. I believe they are. Yep, that's moving. Seems to be moving alright. So we'll take a look and name this.
Product name required.
Awesome. Positivity Creator. We love that. Awesome. Go to research and let's start our training for basic auxiliary. Eventually we're going to need national headquarters as well. We don't have any points yet, which is a little sad, but that's okay. Let's take a look at this person. Headache away. Go to company. Is that more migraine? Yeah, both of those are eases migraine, which we're not dealing with at all. Apparently this is it causes a lot of headaches. We're going to need to run that through the analyzer when we can. But right now that's also our biggest profit maker. So, we'll go with that. Ooh, nice new decorations. We're going to need more cash before we do too much different. Let's see how much cash we're making. Making 71 per one of those. And we're only making 44 for our painkillers. So we could switch ingredients and go more for the antidepressants, which I think we will do, actually. So let's stop that. Oh, no. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. But, okay. Import the antidepressant. We're going to make more of it. That'll be fine. Hopefully they won't get in our market. Now we can't upgrade that. Unfortunately, we could remove this, but we don't really need to right now. We don't have the catalyst. We need to send our guy out. We're gonna need 2 for that, so let's start with that. We don't have any points. Alright,
Research
I think
complete.
we're doing fine. Nice, research complete. We have the ionizer. That's gonna save us some time and effort later on. Actually, let's, yeah, we'll let that go. That's going fine. Alright, cool. So far, so good, I'm thinking. So, we need to make a ton of money before too long, but we're doing okay right now. Not the best, not the worst. It'll be okay. Alright. Fantastic. And also, we can use the analyzer right through here when we have it unlocked. So that'll be good. We also have a long path to go from over here to over here. So we can probably eventually upgrade this pretty simply, which is good. So we'll keep that in mind. Money's going fine. How's our cash doing here? 71. Let's take a look at our company. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're getting rid of that, so we don't have to worry about that, and I'll delete it once we have 0 sold per month. We're doing okay on here. It just costs a lot and takes a lot of room. So I think we're sticking to the antidepressants, which are good. Those people are worried about the migraine, which is fine, but wrong button. Okay. I think we're doing okay. I think we are doing okay. So what's the saturation? Okay, the demand's fine for that. Let's take a look at there. His migraine's actually okay, but it's oversaturated right now. We are doing stomach ulcers, and we're the only people that are doing it, so that's good. We're doing antidepressants. We're not super saturated, but if other people join us, that might be a problem. Yeah, we're curing depression. That's always good. Yeah. Nice. Cannot complain. Things are Moonfern. Infection medication. So let's take a look at infection. Okay, so soothes cold symptoms. Not the best thing in the world. It's going down right now, but it's going to go higher in the December months for the demand. But that should be fine. Which we're looking for would be blood, would probably be good, or relaxants.
Research complete.
Oh, nice. Research complete. National headquarters. Let's see how many people do we need for patents. We need 2. So we could hire another guy. That might be good, but that might unlock it for everyone and not just me. Let's go ahead and do... Planning permission might be good. Let's upgrade our things. We don't have any of those yet. So let's upgrade the evaporator since we're using a ton of them. We could do alternate delivery as well. Let's wait until this unlocks and we'll see what we need. Cool. So we can unlock the shaker and the multi-mixer. So let's do both. Let's get the analyzer real quick and we'll use the last one to generate us up some points. Cool. How is our ingredient search going? He's at 74%. He should be done fairly soon. We're going to have to hire another one before too terribly long. We can also do desert exploration here in a little bit. But we're doing fine for right now. Positivity creators are nice. We'll have to take that into consideration. We'll need to unlock this before too long, most likely.
A competitor has released a new
what
product.
are you doing? Stomach pain soother. Calms acid reflux. We are not doing that. Their eases migraines
A competitor
really good
has
though.
released a new product.
Cold stopper. Soothes cold symptoms. Okay. None of them are... We're in different markets. That's good. That's good. Hopefully we made a good choice in our places, but that's okay. I think we're doing okay with our stuff, which is awesome. And I'm digging our positivity creator. Let's take a look at it real quick and see what rating we have
New
for
ingredient discovered.
Nice.
Research complete.
Eases migraine is an A. That's really good, actually. It's really good. Oh, that's not us. That's why it's really good. Alright, it's a C+. So maybe we should increase it some more, and that might help us out a bit. Okay, cool. Soothes cold symptoms. Alright, research complete. Go to research. You can generate a couple points. Let's get the shaker, though. And let's put one of those in the dissolver. The ingredients. What do we have here? Okay, we're going to need to hire a new guy. And which of the catalysts are we going to want? We need that one. Okay, this one doesn't have one. Alright, so we'll go with this one first. Hire another. Go for that. Okay. So soothes cold symptoms. We can do that. Pretty easy. Let's switch one of our lines to soothes cold symptoms. Import. We'll take a look and see how that's doing, how that compares. What do we have here? Oh, one ingredient upgrade point available. Okay, we're not really doing the painkiller anymore.
A competitor
No
has
one's really
released a
asking
new
for stuff,
product.
so let's keep that where it is. Oh, now they're trying to get in our antidepressant field, but that's ours. You can't have ours.
All set for the go? Trust me, it really isn't that bad. Just something everybody has to go through.
Sure, I'm ready. I bet I'll ace it.
Especially since it's multiple choice with no wrong answers. We'll start as soon as everyone's found a seat.